What is the nature of the world we live in? The world, they say, is a marble in motion, a spinning coin caught mid-flip between fire and frost, a puzzle with corners burned off, a poem scribbled in the margins of chaos. It is tooth and bloom, famine and feast, the gentle hum of a mother's lullaby cut short by the roar of a warplane overhead. The nature of this world, its contradiction with a heartbeat, a rose opening on the edge of a landfill, a child's laughter in a city stitched with sirens. It is systems pretending to be stable, empires built on sand, truth stretched like old skin over the bones of convenience. This world feeds you dreams through the glow of a glass screen and sells your silence for the price of a quicker download. But somewhere, in the wild ache of a violin, in the glance between two strangers, in the kindness no one applauded, the real world flickers. It is not the concrete we pour, but the cracks where the weeds dare to grow. It is not the noise we broadcast, but the quiet that keeps waiting to be heard. So ask again, what is the nature of the world we live in? It is question after question, wearing the mask of an answer. And we, fools with lanterns, walking deeper into the dark, hoping to find the light